Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. So last week I took all my clamps off my window bars and they've been sat on the floor ever since, so I really need to make a rack for them. I've made a clamp rack before, one of these ones where all the clamps have their own little slots to slide into. But really I found just putting them over the window bars worked great, and that was simple. So I'm not going to mess around, I'm just going to make the most simple clamp rack I can out of scraps I've got knocking about. So what I've got is two bits of OSB, both the same length, one bit a bit taller than the other, and then these little noggins in between. And that's it really, these 5 bits of wood that I'm just going to glue and brad nail together. Now I'm sure I could have made this much more complicated, and I could have made it to fit all my clamps perfectly, but then I'm always buying more clamps and I don't know which kind I'll be buying in the future. So with something like this, it's kind of future-proof. Anything will just hook over it. I'm just going to drill and countersink a few holes along the top of the OSB, and then I can get it on the wall. All the workshop walls are covered in 18mm MDF, so it can just be screwed on anywhere. And I'm going to utilise this bit of dead space behind the twin wall pipe. This barely even gets warm, so the clamps are going to be absolutely fine there. So all the clamps just hook over it, or they can slide down into it depending on their design, and there's plenty of room for other ones to go on in the future. So that's it all done. This is probably the simplest build I have ever done. So thanks for watching, thanks to my Patreons, and please subscribe for more videos.